Hi guys, Steph here. Now, as some of you people will know, at Grandmia Pens we bring you lots and lots of fountain pen reviews. We also upload videos showing you people how to repair your fountain pen. And occasionally we upload the odd humorous video which hopefully makes you giggle a little bit. But this year I'm working on a number of ideas which I'm looking to fund. So I'm going to start a crowdfunding page. That'll fund some equipment to help me improve the videos. It'll also help me bring you people a lot more content. There's some ideas that I'm looking to try out to bring you people new content, all fountain pen related. And lastly, a project that I abandoned a number of months ago, I'd like to start that again. I need some equipment to help me in producing my own bespoke fountain pens or handmade fountain pens. So at the end of the day, if the videos have been, if they've been helpful to you, if they've been educational to you people, if you enjoy the videos and you'd like to see more, then please support my work. So in advance, I'll just simply say thank you, and I'll see you all soon. Bye bye for now.